strong call for urgent United Nations Security Council reform, saying the system is stuck in artful delay and procedural acrobatics. Speaking at the start of the new intergovernmental negotiations framework session, India congratulated the new co-chairs from Kuwait and the Netherlands, but warned that the UN's credibility is at risk. In its sharp message, New Delhi said the 80-year-old Security Council structure no longer reflects today's geopolitical realities. It accused the IGN process of becoming the theatre of the absurd, noting that in 17 years it has produced no text, no outcomes and no progress. India stressed that decades of discussions have yielded nothing, arguing that consensus is being misused as a veto.
Let us not forget, in recognizing the reality, all that we have seen in this forum over nearly 2 decades is not action, but artful delay, procedural acrobatics, and a quiet, calculated resistance to change an 80-year-old architecture that is representative of a bygone era. This situation is neither representative, nor equitable, nor credible. There is a need to make the UN fit for purpose by redesigning this framework in order not only to make it reflective of contemporary geopolitical realities, but also to redeem its crisis of legitimacy.
It demanded expansion of both permanent and non-permanent seats, early text-based negotiations, and priority for Africa's representation in the permanent category. India also backed representation for small island developing states, but rejected faith-based claims for Security Council seats.
India supports the representation of small island developing states in a reformed council. However, similar claims by other cross-regional groups such as OIC are not comparable. Faith cannot become the determining criteria for council entitlement. The composition and framework of an expanded and reformed council may be decided upon by members of the General Assembly. India stands fully ready to contribute meaningfully towards this agenda, including the IGN framework. Progress on the agenda is dependent on the commitment of member states to meaningfully contribute towards this endeavor in a forward-looking and constructive manner. India urges all member states to come together in this regard. Narrow considerations and parochial views need to be set aside for the larger good of the effective functioning of the Security Council.